Hello friend, welcome our channel GK Phobia. If you like this video, please share and subscribe. Today topic is important temple in ancient India. Let's start. First, Mysore Rock Cut Temple. Location situated in Kangra Valley of Bias River in Himachal Pradesh. Details: monolithic temple, very important, completed around 8th century AD. Hindu temples is Mysore have similarities with the elephant caves near Mumbai, Angkor Wat in Cambodia, and the rock cut temples of Mahabalipuram in Tamil Nadu. Nagara style of temple architecture, very important. This is the temple. Next, Hidimba Devi temple. Location Manali, Himachal Pradesh. This is the picture. Hidimba Devi temple. Details locally known as Dhumri Temple. Raja Bahadur Singh built the temple 16th century AD. Pagoda style of temple architecture. Next, Khatarmal Temple, Sun, Bara Aditya Temple. This is the whole picture of Khatarma Temple or Sun, Bara Aditya Temple. Location Almora, Uttarakhand. And details: built by the kings of Kathuri in the 9th century, 44 subsidiary shrines around the main temple. Next temple is Badrinath, very important and famous temple. This is famous for Vishnu temple. Location district Chamoli of Uttarakhand. Details: temple dedicated to Lord Vishnu. Lord Vishnu Pita founded by Shankaracharya, very important. Shankaracharya built this temple. Next temple is Gangotri Temple. Location district Uttarkashi in Uttarakhand. Details is famous for temple of Ganga, and here Ganga originates as Bhagirathi. Next temple is Dewaghar Das Avatar Temple. This famous for Vishnu temple. Location Dewaghar, Lalitpur district of Uttar Pradesh. Details is Panchatantra style of architecture. Temple is west facing, which is rare. Next temple, Kashi Vishwanath Temple. This is the picture. Location on the confluence of river Ganga and Gomti at Varanasi. Isipatana, known as Ishipatana. Details: Varanasi was capital of Kashi Mahajanpada. Next temple is Bhitargaon Temple. This is the picture, Bhitargaon Temple. Location district Kanpur, Uttar Pradesh. Details: Nagara style temple of Gupta age. India's largest big temple to survive from the Gupta Empire. Next temple is Nachna Kuthara Temple. This is the picture, Nachna Kuthara Temple. Location Bhumara in Madhya Pradesh. Temple of Mahadeva. So this is the temple famous for Mahadeva. This is the Nagara style temple and it was the early capital of Bhakatakas. Next temple is Mandasur Sun Temple. So this is the Sun Temple. Location district Mandasur in Madhya Pradesh. Details: it was built by the silk weaver mentioned in the inscription Mandasur. Next temple is Chaturbhuj Temple. Location Orka district Tikamgarh, Madhya Pradesh. Dedicated to Vishnu, and it is situated on an island formed by the river Betwa. The Bundela Rajput built the temple in the 16th century BC. 16th century. Matsyat Sun Temple. This is the famous Sun Temple. Location district Indore of Madhya Pradesh. Details: built during the Gupta period. Very important. This is the temple of Gupta period. Next temple is Chausat Yogini Temple. This is the picture of Chausat Yogini Temple. Location the 11th century temple located in Morena district, Madhya Pradesh. And details is the Kajacha Paghata king Devpala constructed this temple. Khajuraho Temple. This is the picture, Khajuraho Temple. Location Madhya Pradesh. Details: built Chandela ruler. This is the World Heritage Site. Very important. Here temple belongs to Hinduism, Jainism and Tantric worship. Chausat Yogini Temple. and Nagara style temple architecture. Main temples Khandariya Mahadeva and Lakshman temple. Lakshmana temple is dedicated to Vishnu and it is grandest temple of all Khajuraho temple, famous for erotic sculpture. Next temple, Mahakaleshwar temple. This is the picture, Mahakaleshwar temple. Location situated on Shipra River, Ujjain, Madhya Pradesh. Details Kalidasa has mentioned the rituals of the temple in his work in Meghadutu. He described the Nada Aradhana, the presentation of art and dance during the rituals of the evening. Next temple, Bhojpur Shiva temple. This is the picture of Bhojpur Shiva temple. Location on bank of river Betua. Ancient name Bhetravati in Madhya Pradesh. Details incomplete temple built by King Bhojadeva of Paramara dynasty, largest Shiv Linga in the country. Next temple, Shirpur Lakshman temple. Location located on the bank of river Mahanadi. District Mahasamund, Chhattisgarh. Details during the 17th century, Queen Bhasata, daughter of Moukhari king Surya Varma of Magadha, built this temple. So very important. Next temple is brick temple. This is the brick temple picture dedicated to Vishnu. Next, Rajim temple. Location situated in Raipur, Chhattisgarh. Details dedicated to Vishnu, built before 7th century AD during the reign of Vilastunga Mahakoshal architecture. A noble example of Panchayana Shaili architect. Next picture, Konarak Sun temple. Very important. Location, district Puri of Odisha coast. Details also called Black Pagoda. Built by King Narasimha Dev I of the Eastern Ganga dynasty. The temple looks like a chariot with 12 wheels and 7 horses. So 12 wheels denotes 12 months and 7 horses denotes 7 seasons. Next, Bishnupur Terracotta Temple. Location West Bengal. Details the terracotta temple was built using laterite stones stabilized by Mallas in the 17th to 18th century. Bhubaneswar. Famous for Parasumeswar, Linguraj temple, Rajarani temple. Next temple, Kamakya temple. Location Nilachal Hill, Guwahati in Assam. Details oldest of 1551 Shaktipithas belongs to Tantric Shaktism culture. Next is Shivsagar. Location Assam. Details is use of brick and stone. Established in 1715 to 44 AD by King Shiva Singh of the Ahom dynasty. Also famous for temple of Devi Doll and Vishnu Doll. Pushkar. Next location located in Ajmer district of Rajasthan. Details is dedicated to Lord Brahma. Next temple is Somnath. This is the picture. Location Kathiawara region of Gujarat. Details also known as Patan. Dedicated to Shiva. In the 10th century AD, Bhimdev of Solanki dynasty built this temple. It was raided and looted several times for its wealth. The present temple was rebuilt in the supervision of Sardar Patel. Next temple, Modhera Sun temple. This is the Sun temple. Location on the bank of river Pushpavati in Gujarat. Details Raja Bhimdev I of Solanki dynasty in 1026 AD constructed this temple. Temple has some commonalities with Konark Sun temple. The water tank near the temple is largest in the country. Mahalakshmi temple. This is the picture of Mahalakshmi temple. Location located at Kolhapur, Maharashtra. Details is on the banks of the river Panchaganga, built during Chalukya rule, deity faced west, famous for Kirnotsov festival. Vithoba temple. This is the picture. Location located on bank of river Chandrabhaga, Bhima, and Kolhapur, Panchala, Maharashtra. Details: Hoysala king Vishnu Vardhana built this temple in the middle 13th century. And temple is dedicated to Vaishnavism, famous for Warkari religious movement within Bhakti tradition. Next picture is Trimbakeshwar temple. Location located in Nashik district of Maharashtra. Details is dedicated to Shiva and origin of Godavari river. Next temple, very important, Kailash temple, Ellora. Location district Aurangabad, Maharashtra. Details: monolithic temple built by Krishna I in 8th century AD, modeled on Virupaksha temple. Lonar. Located district Buldhana, Maharashtra. Details: 15 temple built around the crater lake. Next, Hemadpanthi temples dedicated to Lord Shiva and Shakti Kamalija Devi. Next, Dwar Samudra temple. Location Helavedu district, Hassan, Karnataka. Details: capital of Hoysala king, famous for the temple Hoysaleshwar, 12th century AD, sponsored by King Vishnu Vardhana of the Hoysala Empire, a Shivaism tradition monument. Next, Belur. Details: temple of Chinna Keshava, example of Hoysala architecture. Next temple, Pattadakal. Location Bagalkot district of Karnataka. Details: it is called city of crown rubbish, Pattada Kisuholal. It was placed for Pattada Kisuholal royal coronation. The style of the temple is based on the fusion of the Nagara, Davida, Rekha and Prasada style. Short form is Varsara style. Famous temple Sangameshwar, Kaladideshwar and Jambu Lingeshwara. Next temple, Virupaksha temple. This is the picture of Virupaksha temple. Location located at Hampi, Karnataka. Details: Hampi was capital of Vijayanagar kingdom. Next, Badami. Location Bagalkot district, Karnataka, also known as Bhatapi. Next, Meila Lingeshwar temple. Location located on banks of river Krishna at Amaravati, Andhra Pradesh. Details: dedicated to Lord Shiva. Amaravati is also famous school Buddhist architecture. Next temple, Lord Venkateshwar temple. Location located in the hill town of Tirumala at Tirupati in Chittor district of Andhra Pradesh. Details: Vaishnavite temple. The first recorded donations were made by Queen Samavai of Pallava in 1966 century. The Pallavas dynasty 9th century, the Chola dynasty 10th century and the Vijayanagar dynasty 14th to 15th century were devotees the Venkateshwar. Next temple is Mukha Lingam. Location is district Srikamkulam in Andhra Pradesh. Details: Shiva temple. This temple was constructed by Kamarnava II of Eastern Ganga king in 18th century. Next, Meenakshi temple. Location is on bank of river Bhaigai at Madurai in Tamil Nadu. Detail is built by Madurai Nayak as per historical sources by the mid-16th century. Meenakshi temple excited in Madurai, dedicated to Lord Shiva. Next, Brihadashwar temple. Location is on the bank of the river Kaveri at Tanjavur, Tamil Nadu. Details: one of the largest temple in the world, dedicated to Lord Shiva, called as Dakshinameri, built by Rajaraja Chola I in 11th century AD. UNESCO World Heritage Site. Temple of Great Living Chola included 3 temples: Brihadashwar, Gangaikon, Cholapuram and Airavate temples. Next temple is Gangaikonda Cholapuram. Location is on the river Kaveri, Ariyalur district, Tamil Nadu. Details dedicated to Shiva. This temple was constructed by Rajendra I after his victory over North India. This is the Gangaikonda Cholapuram picture. Next temple Mahabalipuram. Details is built by Pallava kings, evolved in 3 stages, famous for show temple and Arjuna's penance sculptures. Mahabalipuram is megalithic city. Next temple is Kanchipuram. Location is on the bank of the Bhagavati river. Details is famous for Kailashnatha temple, Ekambareshwar temple, Rameshwara temple. Location located on Pamban Island, Tamil Nadu. Details dedicated to Lord Shiva, Rameshwara temple. Next temple, Sri Ranganath Swami temple. This is the picture. Location, it is situated on an island between the Kaveri and Kolligam rivers. Details dedicated to Vishnu Ranganath, Dravidian style of temple architecture. Next temple, Pashupatinath temple. Location, located on the bank of the Bagmati river near Kathmandu, Nepal. Details, UNESCO World Heritage Site. Swala Tej Singh temple. This is the temple. Location located in Sialkot city, Pakistan. Details built by Sardar Tej Singh, more than 1000 years old. Next temple, Arasavalli Sun temple. Location located in near Srikakulam, Andhra Pradesh. Details built by King Devendra Verma, the ruler of the Kalinga dynasty around 7th century AD. Next temple, Vidyaya Shankara temple. Location situated on the bank of river Tunga, Sringeri district, Chikkamgalur, Karnataka. Details built in the year 1338 AD. Contribution made by several Vijayanagara emperors. It is a fusion of Hoysala Chalukya and Vijayanagara Dravidian architectural features. This is the picture. Next temple, Angkor Wat. Location is a temple complex in Cambodia, the largest religious monument in the world. The Khmer king Suryavarma II constructed this temple in the early 12th century. It was originally built as a Vishnu temple. Slowly it was transformed into a Buddhist temple towards the end of the 12th century. Botu Caves. Next temple is Botu Cave. Location, Cave Temple in Malaysia. Details dedicated to Lord Murugan. Next temple is Sri Mariamman Temple. Location, Singapore's oldest Hindu temple. Details built in the Dravidian style, found in 1827. If you like this video, please share, subscribe and press the bell button. Thank you for watching.